A while ago, I made a video about how to start a cement block business. In this video, I explained how to do the calculations on the quantities that you need to make your blocks, the bags of cement that you need, the quarry dust that you needed, how many wheelbarrows it was going to take you to make a certain amount of blocks. A lot of people got interested and I had a lot of questions. And now I came up with an idea to design a spreadsheet that will make it easier for people to be able to understand what's going on. So I want to do a video presentation. I think maybe I might do it live, or I might just do a recording of the video to show you how this spreadsheet works. And I think preferably if I can be able to do it live, I'll be able to share with you and you can be asking me questions. So if you're interested for me to do this, please leave a comment at the bottom and tell me what you think, and you can put some of the questions that you have so that I can address it in that video. So yeah, this is the spreadsheet. I just want to share with you to see how the spreadsheet works. And if you've got any suggestions, feel free to suggest. Don't forget to like the video also. Share with some other people who you think might be interested in, and subscribe to the channel. So I've created this spreadsheet. The idea of the spreadsheet is to help us to be able to calculate. If you want to know how many bags of cement you're gonna use with a certain amount of money, or you want to know how many bags of cement you're gonna use with a number of to make a certain number of blocks. And also, if you want to know how many wheelbarrows. So if you look at here, we've got, let's say for example, we've got 100 bags. So 100 bags of cement should be able to, for you to be able to work out with 500 wheelbarrows, which will make 3,500 blocks. So the tonnage that is going to be needed for the quarry dust or sand is going to be 50 tons. If the block is selling, this bag of cement is selling at 13,000 kwacha, you should be able to spend 1.3 million kwacha. So if you are, like say, in Nigeria or some other country, you can always change your currency here, and then everything is going to be changing. This bottom line, I'm also calculating, say for example, you want to know from 1 ton how many wheelbarrows you're going to get out of there, which is 5. Number of blocks that you're going to get is 70. And then the bags of cement from that 1 ton, that is of quarry dust, the number of bags you're going to use to make your blocks is 2. And this is how much it's going to cost you for the number of bags. The quarry dust also, if it's selling at 700 kwacha per ton, this is how it's going to cost you. So you can actually change there and make, let's say it's we want to buy 50 tons of quarry dust. How much is it going to cost? So you put 50 tons, it's 50 there. The moment you put 550 and you press enter, it's going to be 250 wheelbarrows. You're going to make 3,500 blocks, and you're going to use 100 bags of cement, and it's going to cost you 650,000 kwacha. If a bag of cement is costing at 13,000. Here is the quarry dust costing at 700 kwacha. Let's make it 7,000 kwacha. So automatically everything also changes on the quarry dust. So I wonder why is it saying 50 there? Let's see. Malay kwacha 50 from 7,000. Okay, let's see okay, we never put the formula there. F5 multiplied by T15. T15, okay. Quarry dust. So here also it's supposed to be T15. Okay. Okay, so it actually fixed it now. All right, so that's how the spreadsheet is. If you got some other ideas that you can share for me to, update this spreadsheet, you can always ask me. You can always share. All right, so that's that. Any questions, please feel free to ask. So the idea that I have is to design a spreadsheet so that you can be able to calculate and know how much it's going to cost you for the materials that you're going to use in your business, but also you can be able to know how much it's going to cost you for the uh, amount of tonnage that is required for you to be able to do your business, make a certain number of blocks, find out how many bags of cement you're going to use. So this spreadsheet, it just tries to simplify everything, because many people who watched the previous video, how to start a cement block business, gave me a lot of questions. So I came up with this idea so that I can actually make life easier for the people. So if you are interested in the spreadsheet, you can always contact me. You can always inbox me. I'll put a link on the description. Yeah, so if any questions, any suggestions, please feel free to share.